Comprised with only organic ingredients like galangal, lemongrass leaf, organic soaps are a great way to naturally soften and clean your skin. So it's time to DIY.
What's body gotta do?
What?
Hey guys, welcome to our video. My name is Ardani Prasha. Just call me Ardan. On this occasion, we are going to make an organic soap. If you've never tried one, you will know how wonderful it is, and you will be surprised that making your own soap isn't difficult as you think. But before the video starts, I would be appreciated if you hit the like and subscribe button first. I'm waiting here. Okay, here's how to make an organic soap.
Hi guys, I'm Marsha and Rachma, but you can call me Chacha. As Arda said earlier, right now we are going to make an organic soap. Anyway, do you know what toga is? Toga is family medicinal plants. They are useful as medicines. In our school's toga park, there are various kinds of plants such as suji leaf, aloe vera, fir, passion fruit, and many more. You guys wanna know, right? Let's move to Bagas.
My name is Bagas, and today I would like to tell you guys about which plants are able to be the ingredients of our organic soap. So let's hunt the ingredients.
Guys, my name is Kireyna. Now, we want to tell you how to make an organic soap.
Wow, I really want to know how to make an organic soap. Is it hard to make it?
No, it's very easy to make an organic soap. It doesn't cost a lot of money and it doesn't take a long time to make it. Now, let's begin. First, soak half a kilogram of soapberry for a week until the marinade water turns brown, in order to produce a lot of foam. Then boil the marinated water with soapberry for 10 minutes until it boils hot. Galangals into the soapberry boiling water. Squeeze 3 limes into the soapberries boiling water to neutralize the aroma of the soapberries water. Add betel leaf and betel vines into the soapberries boiling water. Stir until the ingredients mix very well. Then add enough soap deodorant to make the soap smell good. Add 5 tablespoons of salt into the water. salt solution into the soap mixture. Well, the soap is ready to use!
Wow, it's very easy and fast.
Yes, because it's easy, you can make it at home with the ingredients that usually you get.
And I will want to try it at home.
Yes, you can make it. And guys, if you want to have this unorganic soap, you can make it by yourself. See ya!
Now, I want to wash my hand with our organic soap.
Guys, we have already seen how exciting we have made an organic soap. We are from Ecolution Production. Want to say thank you to our mentor, Madam Dede Yudhiaty, and to you guys for watching and hopefully useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our video. See ya!
See ya!